Namaskar students, how are you? Fine. Yes, I hope you are enjoying optimization technique. In today's lecture, as per your session, I am going to discuss about the method of optimization technique that is based on multivariate optimization problem category, and the topic of the discussion for today's lecture is unidirectional optimization problem. From the very name, it is clear that it seems that you are not thinking that in which direction you have to proceed and to what technique you should use, because the dimension of selection of variable is a hidden fact, and that will become after a certain steps to be involved in the solution of the problem. So what is the unidirectional search method in optimization technique? Kindly see the matter I'm sharing on the screen. This is optimization method, and in optimization of a design, the design objective could be simply minimize the cost of production or maximize the efficiency of production. We have already discussed about this. Deterministic algorithms, and see here the purpose of formulation of any problem in optimization is to create a mathematical model of the optimal design problem, which then can be solved by using optimization algorithm. In the figure we have given here, here is the outline of the steps usually involved in an optimal design formulation. First of all, need of optimization, then choose design variable, then formulate constants. You should remember all these steps. Step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the last step is the 7th step. And in the 7th step, you are going to find the solution of your optimization problem. In your 3rd step, you have to formulate some constants, then formulate the objective function, then set up variable bounds. You can bound that what should be the limits of the variation of the variable you have taken, and then choose an optimization algorithm. You have to say, in the support of your logic, you have to choose some algorithm that you can use during the solution of your problem. So here is the design of variable. You can see this, and then we are talking about constant, how to choose the constants, and how inequality type constant and equality type constants, which type of constants you are going to choose. It is here, and you should know this. Then inequality constants like this, constant like this is not equal to, this is the inequality constants, and this is equal to something, so this is equality constants. And variable bounds is here x1 lies, xi lies between this and this. This is the lower and this is the upper bound. And the general format for designing a problem is this: minimize effects subject to these constraints. This is the way in which you should formulate your any problem of multivariates. Optimal design of a thrust structure is given here. We have already discussed the same in the previous lecture. That was a matter of civil engineering problem. Designing of the roof, formulation of constants. So students, I hope that you have understand that what is the unidirectional methods. These methods are unidirectional, and it depends totally that what type of task you are going to be assigned, and you have to proceed in that direction as according. But there is some set parameters. You have to select some algorithm in support of your logic. I hope you have enjoyed this lecture. This digital version 2.0 is powered by Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, and in case of any query, you should write your comment in the comment box. If you write something, I will resolve. I promise. Thank you very much for enjoying and listening to me. Thanks.